Libra, this is your collective reading. And let's see, what is the message of your spirit guides for you? Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Okay, Libra. Okay, dumadanas ka ngayon ng pagkabigo. So, we will read the cards in upright position for this. Dumadanas ka ng pagkabigo sa isang pag-ibig na alam mo yung feeling ng sacrifices na binigay mo is hindi pa nasusuklian. So, you're finding love and alam mo sa sarili mo kung ano yung deserve mo. Pero hindi mo siya nakukuha. Not because you don't deserve it, but because half of the people, or I think almost of the people around you is hindi ganun ka-sincere sa'yo or hindi mo pa nahahanap yung totoong pagmamahal. It was more on like you are sacrificing for someone na hindi clear yung intention sa'yo. So, I'm picking a situationship here na hindi niya alam kung dapat ba siyang mag-commit or hindi na lang. Pero meron sa part ng person mo na alam niyang hindi siya makakawala sa connection na to. Because you are something irresistible and this person wanted to be with you. Takot siyang mag-commit sa'yo at first. Pero nakikita ko dito yung changes. As a matter of fact, you really want some balance in your life. Actually, sinabi mo na sa kanya yung gusto mong sabihin. Pero, sa part niya, hindi pa siya ganun totally clear or totally honest sa connection yung dalawa. We have the Five of Pentacles. So, the Five of Pentacles signifies here na may mga hidden truths na tinatago sa yung person mo. Actually, you really wanted to commit. Pero parang siya yung hindi pa ready. Naharapin ka sa ngayon. Meron ka rin ditong King of Swords. So, the King of Swords also tell you na yung connection ng dalawa, hindi siya madali. Bigla siyang nag-end. Pero sa part mo, alam mo na deserve mong maging masaya. It's just a matter of time before you have this love connection. Pero, minanifest mo siya. Pero, wala akong nakikita dito na changes. I think, this person also abused you. Yung parang, binigay mo lahat ng kaluwagan sa kanya. Binigay mo lahat ng bagay na magpapasaya sa kanya. Pero, wala kang makitang changes sa kanya. So, the Six of Pentacles also telling you na love should be balanced. Dapat na re-reciprocate lahat ng effort. Kasi hindi pwedeng laging ikaw yung nag-e-effort sa connection. Tapos wala kang nakikitang changes sa kanya. And as you can see here with the Moon card, this person is giving you mixed signals. Pwedeng sa umpisa mabait siya, pero sa part na gusto mo ng commitment or truthful connection sa kanya, hindi niya maibigay. So, I'm wondering why. Kaya para naging tahimik ka na lang dito, nag-observe ka, tinitignan mo kung ano yung next na gagawin niya. Pero it seems like hindi siya gumagawa ng big move para magbago yung connection niyo or mag-improve. You really wanted this person. And the more kasi na hinahabol mo siya, mas lalo siyang lumalayo sa'yo. So, I'm picking here more on like a Libra na single. And I think with the Five of Pentacles, gusto mong humingi ng tawad for some reason. Siguro nagigilty ka sa pagkakalayo yung dalawa. Pwedeng yung effort na binibigay mo sa kanya is kulang pa. Ikaw yung nagigilty. I see. So, with the Six of Pentacles, dati siguro na ikaw yung may kasalanan. Pwedeng ganon. And then, nahuli ka niya. Pwedeng may pagkukulang ka talaga sa kanya, baka may nasabi kang hindi maganda. It's just inayawan ka niya. And now, it's time to find the balance, Libra. Because you deserve so much better. But I think if you really wanted to manifest this connection, may chance naman. Kasi hindi siya binigay sa'yo for nothing. So this person came into your life for a reason. And I guess that will make your connection balance and even more survival. So, we have the Seven of Wands here. You're trying to manifest your place in this connection. And nakikita ko na malaki yung challenges and trials na inaabot ng relationship niyo dalawa. I wanted to see the next move of your person in the upcoming weeks. Okay, we have the Seven of Swords. Hangman is here. Wala pa daw siyang final decision dito, Libra. Kasi may Chariot. You might be dealing with a Cancer. Cancer, this is Cancer or same air sign. Virgo is here. Very significant. Okay, actually with the Chariot card, nandito naman yung decision. Pero hindi pa siya makapag-decide kung ano ba talagang susundin niya. Nasa puso ka ng tao na to, pero wala siyang ginagawa na kahit na anong move right now. Maybe the connection is really strong and naka-stalemate kayo. Yung parang nakahang lang siya. Even though how much you wanted this person, kulang pa yung effort niya talaga. Para masabi natin na fully committed na siya sa'yo. Pero nandun yun, honestly, nandun naman. Okay, so we will use the Oracle cards to see kung ano yung guidance para sa Libra. Okay, we have here romance. You might be dealing with your soulmate. Could be your twin flame also. Soulmate, twin flame is a very strong here. We have helpful people. There's a lot of people na, okay, communicate clearly. So, miscommunication really matters here. And sinasabi dito na kapag naayos nyo yung miscommunication sa pagitan nyo, malaki yung chance na magbago yung situation. Kasi with the romance card, kung makikita mo dito, you're both sharing a soul connection. And this is a like, if you will keep manifesting it, it could turn into something beautiful in the future. And pwedeng, with the help of people, I'm picking here a family. Pwedeng yung family niya gusto ka. Gusto ka naman ng pamilya niya. Hindi lang talaga niya sinasabi. Pero if you will manage the love connection, malaki yung chance na mag-grow to. And also, with the romance card, gusto talaga ni person na maging maayos yung flow ng connection nyo. Nakikita ko rin dito na magkakaroon ng investment, pwedeng mag-invest na siya with you, pwedeng magbigay na siya ng time in the next few weeks. May nakikita lang ako dito na may tao na it really feels so bad at gusto niya mag-sorry sa'yo. Kaya lang sa ngayon, siguro wala pa siyang ginagawa na move. Okay? So, another cards. We have let go. Meron ka rin dito within the next few months. Kung hindi siya magmamaterialize this week, malaki yung chance within the next few months may magbago. Okay, so you wanted something from this person pero hindi niya mapigay at first. Ngayon, nandito na yung pagbawi. May nakikita ko dito na kung ilalet go mo kay universe, yung connection, doon na siya magmamaterialize or magbabago. Kasi hindi talaga siya nagkakaroon ng changes, hindi nagmamanifest yung connection. Kasi you keep giving your energy too much. And then wala kang nare-receive. So, it's time for you to take back your power. It's time for you to take control of the situation. And sabi dito, look for a sign. Yung iba sa inyo nakakalimot na kayo. Natandaan nyo, yung mga spirit guides nyo nandyan na sa paligid nyo yan. Nakabantay sila sa connection nyo. And pinapakita ng cards mo dito, Libra, that within the next few months, may magbabago. So, you don't need to be negative all the time. There might be some changes in your life, but if you will keep manifesting things, sabi dito, nandito na, abot kamay mo na siya. Kulang lang talaga sa konting workout ng connection. Actually, you're waiting always. Alam yun ng person mo. Kaya nga kapag ready na siya, ikaw na yung best person na pipiliin niya para makasama niya habang buhay. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng i-breadcrumb ka lang niya, lagi lang siyang nandyan. Kailangan mag-take risk siya para magkaroon ng improvement yung connection yung dalawa. Okay? Libra, this is your collective reading for this week.